Almanac of the Planets, the sky this month. Okay, so the month of December has one really big event. It's going to be an occultation of Aldebaran by the moon. That's going to be on December 20th. The moon's going to be just shy of full, so it might be a little harder to see, but be sure to be watching for it because it's going to be a really big event. You'll get to watch one of the brightest stars in the sky get covered up by the moon. It's going to be in the early evening. Just go outside as soon as it gets dark and you'll see it. And even once Aldebaran has disappeared behind the moon, stay out there for another hour, half hour, because after that, Aldebaran is going to reappear. So, and that's always a very, very fun event as it goes on the other side. Next, okay, so that's our main sky event for the month. We also have the winter solstice. Will be on the 21st, and it's going to be at 8:57 universal time. And to convert that into your local time, so subtract your time zone or add your time zone correction. Okay, so we also have leading up to this month. We have Mars drawing close to Neptune. They're going to meet on January 1st of next month, and they're going to be very close. They're going to be under a degree apart from each other. To give you an idea about how close that is, that's going to be the moon's diameter seen from Earth. They're going to be closer than that. So that's going to be something. So you can't see Neptune with your naked eye. If you have a telescope, be sure to point it at Mars on the 1st. Okay, so now for our planetary roundup for the month. Okay, so we have Mercury. It starts kind of fairly low in the evening sky, though it is visible. And then by the month's end, it's sunk down into the into the sunset and isn't very well placed for observation. Venus, on the other hand, has a very good month. We can see it prominent after it gets dark. It's going to be well up, and it stays up in the sky for quite some time after the sun goes down. Don't miss it this month, because this month is near its greatest evening elongation, meaning it's about as far away from the sun as it's ever going to be. It's almost as bright as it's ever going to be, almost. And you can see it for a couple hours after the sun. So if you see it, just look for a bright star in the southwest. That's Venus. After it gets dark, be sure to look at it a lot this month. Okay, now, moving on to the planet Mars. As mentioned earlier, it's drawing close to Neptune. Still in the evening sky. Right now, it's currently moving through eastern Capricorn into Aquarius. Okay, so it doesn't do too much this month, except it's getting closer towards Neptune, and that's its big occurrence this month. Jupiter now pretty much parallels Venus, only in the morning sky. You can see it rise a couple hours after midnight, and it's well up high in the sky by dawn. Very bright, so if you're out early in the morning, be sure to take a look at it. It's in the constellation of Virgo. Okay. Saturn this month isn't going to be visible because it's too close to the sun, but we will be able to see it again next month as it emerges out from the sunset glow. Okay, so with the constellations that are currently visible this month, we have in the early evenings, if you look east, you can see Orion coming up over the edge of the Earth. It's always an interesting sight to see as Orion climbs higher and higher and higher. That was up high in the sky. Orion is a very well-known constellation, and for good reason. It has two of the brightest stars in the sky, and the belt pattern that makes it so famous. So be sure to go take a look at it sometime one of these December evenings. And for our moon phases this month, we have occurring on the 7th, we have the first quarter moon. The full moon is going to be on the 13th. Last quarter is going to be on the 20th. And the moon will be new on the 29th. Okay, so that's about it for this month's sky. Be sure to keep an eye on the planets, and Look for more updates in your editions of the Almanac of the Planets. And you're in the sky.